Hey makers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be going over how to crochet a basic granny square. In order to follow along, you will need to know how to chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. The granny square is crocheted in rounds going in one direction. It's crocheted with groups of 3 double crochet and chain spaces. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Begin with a sliding loop. To create a sliding loop, we want to go ahead and create a loop with our yarn. Wind your yarn clockwise around your fingers, leaving the short tail in front. Cross the longer strand of yarn over the shorter tail. Insert your hook through the ring and pull through the loop. From here, we will begin our round 1. We're going to start off with a chain 3, which will count as a double crochet. To tighten your sliding loop, just pull on the little tail. Continue with adding 2 double crochets. We will be using groups of 3 double crochets to make up the entire granny square. Next, we will add a chain 2. Chain 2 is where our corners will be. From here, we are going to repeat 3 double crochets with a chain 2 more times. Add 3 more double crochets. Join round 1 with crocheting a half double crochet into the chain 3 at the beginning of the round. Round 1 will have a total of 12 double crochets and 4 spaces. Round 2. Round 2 notes. Crochet into chain spaces only. Chain 2 counts as a corner space. Crochet corners will consist of a group of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets, following with a chain 1 in between the next corner group. Begin with the chain 3. Chain 3 will count as a double crochet. Continue to crochet into the chain 2 space. Add 2 double crochets with a chain 2 and then add 3 more double crochets. Chain 1 and continue to crochet into the next chain space. Crochet 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Add 3 more double crochets into the same chain space. Chain 1 and continue the pattern we did in the previous chain space, adding 3 double crochets with a chain 2 and additional 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1 between chain spaces. Go ahead and continue to crochet the same pattern we just did for the rest of the round. Join your round with crocheting a single crochet into the top of the chain 3. Round 2 will have a total of 6 double crochets on each side of your square. Round 3. Round 3 notes. 3 double crochet go into the chain 1 spaces, chain 1 in between the 3 double crochet groups. Chain 2 are corners, and corner crochet groups consist of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Chain 3 and add 2 double crochets into the chain space. Chain 3 with 2 double crochets, count as a 3 double crochet group. Chain 1 in between 3 double crochet groups. Continue to crochet a corner group into the chain 2 space. Corner groups consist of 3 double crochets with a chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. Repeat the pattern of 3 double crochet groups into the chain 1 spaces, chaining 1 in between the groups of 3 double crochets. Crochet corner groups into the chain 2 spaces, joining the round with a single crochet into the chain 3 at the beginning. Continue to crochet the rest of your round 3. Once you get to the end of your round, if you want to continue to grow your granny square, go ahead and join your round with a single crochet. If you are all done and it's at the desired size, go ahead and join the round with a slip stitch and tie it off. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makers keep making. I'll see you next video.